Sania, how are we going to solve this?
So what I did was I did the indices first. So I did 2 times 2 squared by itself, which is 16.
16. So let us just put it in the equation. Okay, let us write down
Yes.
the entire thing. This you have solved. There was a one. Then
I did the 2 minus 2 times 0.
2 minus 2 times 0. So are you doing 2 minus 2 times 0 or you doing only 2 times 0?
2 times 0.
So what is that?
0.
And why are you doing multiplication first?
Because I'm doing the BODMAS way, which is first brackets.
Okay. All right.
Then indices, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
Right. Okay, then.
Then I did 2 plus 2, which is 4.
Are you forgetting 16. Something?
Yes. 16 times 2 is 32.
Good.
Then I did 2 plus 2 minus plus 2.
Correct.
Minus 0 plus 2.
Okay.
Then I did 2 plus 2 plus 32. Which is 36.
Okay.
Plus 2. Minus 0. Which is 28. Plus 2, which is 40.
40. So no, not 28, 38 plus 2. 36 plus 2 is 38. Minus 0 is again 38. Plus 2 is 40. Good.